Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name's Ahmad Hassani, but everyone call me Hassani. I'm from Kelapang Timur Village, and my hobby is play football, and my ambition is translator. Okay, now I will tell you a story about my activity from I wake up from in the morning until I sleep in the I sleep on 2 o'clock maybe. Okay, sometimes I wake up in the morning on 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and sometimes I ever wake up on 9 o'clock. Why I wake up on 9 o'clock? Because last night sometimes I have a job from keep my boarding school, and after that I wake up. After that I go to the bedroom to wash my body. After I wash my body, I go to sometimes I go to Universitas Madura to look for knowledge, and until the after I arrive to Universitas Madura, I look I know knowledge in Universitas Madura. After that, I go home to my boarding school. After I arrived in my boarding school, I go to bathroom to take a bath. After I take a bath, I I have prayer answer together. Maybe after I have prayer, I give 18 birds in my KI's house. After that, I go to my boarding school to have prayer together. After that, I mag-absent all Sundays to eat together. After that, I go to sometimes I don't have job. If I don't have job, I sleep. If there's job, if there is a job, I don't sleep. Maybe. After that, sometimes I don't sleep in the night, because sometimes I keep my boarding school, because my leader, my KI, order all security to keep our boarding school. So I so so I don't sleep until morning. After that, if I if I If I was my job, so that I sleep. Maybe just it. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.